Why do customers worldwide use teleradio remote controls year after year? Because our products last. Teleradio, with over half a century of experience, develops, manufactures, and markets radio remote control systems for industrial use. Our remote controls are built for tough environments where dust, heat, cold, dirt, and oil can make other products fail. Our products withstand these challenging conditions with ease. Products that can be trusted day after day, year after year. When you select a teleradio remote control, you know you will receive the highest value in product quality and functionality for your application. We offer various safe and long-lasting solutions to help you control your application, either via radio or the mobile phone network, with or without feedback. But don't just choose teleradio for our safe and durable products. We also ensure customer satisfaction by working with you to create a unique solution for your application. Our mission is to never say no to an opportunity and strive to meet the needs of our customers with flexible and custom solutions. That's why, no matter what your questions are, our knowledgeable help desk is there for your support with quick and accurate answers. You are never too far away for fast delivery of high-performance remote controls. Not only do teleradio carry stocks at the head office in Sweden, but also at the offices of our subsidiaries, authorized dealers, and global partners around the world. To ensure your safety and to minimize our impact on the environment, we are certified by ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Garage doors, alarms, crushers, pumps, boat lifts, and even large industrial cranes. In our opinion, all applications can be remote controlled. When remote controlling your application with teleradio, you will get added value that lasts year after year.